How to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold.
Step 1. First, completely turn off your smartphone by holding down the power key until it shuts down or using the power menu. Step 2. After that, plug the device into your PC with the help of a USB cable. Make sure the connection is stable.
Step 3. While the phone is connected, keep pressing the volume up together with the power buttons until the Samsung logo pops up. Then let go only the power key and continue holding the volume up solo.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.